But me, I'm it way. So what catch them say you ra Kantanka nyame onye nyame o enipa. O enipa tse me ne wa. Nyame no to me no man no different levels, but enye nipa ni nyame. Na bacha ka Moses nso anko hu nyame face to face nso e. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I will be able to check a CNN. My patron subscribe here. Subscribe me the 2 man now on sa enya akembi. Osafo Kantanka I papa na no TV ne ne baba no I ne waka nchinego. Na ajagraja keka nsem bi na nsem na okekan no. Bese okoti oba nya medwedwem yenkomra.
Ada papa nyame fasa ma ada papa ne beto fom nsuo beto 3 days. But mon jo tonto. Nsuo beto 3 days baby amode ne be hye no asase be dwa fasa baby nsuo nka
ajaguraja
me na make choplin
the endino my baba honhom
me na make choplin
so covenantia
me na make choplin
asama wo
nsuo beto na miensa
3 days
solid mon jo tonto solid
dentia
oya sunsun different cancer no sunsun oh we the same thing that happen here buso bi okọ different cancer bia sabe o mo se me free nyame ada me woni e be hwese free nyame a mo te me de me nkasa bebre
enso beto
me mal size no enso beto 3 days 3 days na chiko enso to na wiampie as a suku kusuku ku asie no good no so papa na to
na baby
mo de ne be hye no ko ba kiram se munsie no no mo de ne show pe asase na mo de na show no se mo de be siwo se mo de be shefo mo e be dwa eno edwa obi e ko stand tie di bibia no problem bi obi e be solve and the what be some memorial grounds na what be say holy grounds no that is apostle ko Joseph e sunsun sorry ananim say sunsun sorry mo ko asora mo shempaboa boboduku mo ase aye sunsun sore what is sunsun sore ase sunsun no de ye adwuma no
I feel
it my interview makada say papa the spirit my interview Ghana is it Ghana One TV or something
I saw the viral video
yes I go viral your spirit
I say ma make any say be ya me bi so be bomb papa so ni nyina mi gidam nipa ye nipa once aya wo nipa de obewu yes pa no wu yo o sa sorry you yera Kantanka wa be bra magana and there no dispute ono na wa bie Ghana for when it comes to technology but me am it way so what catch them say yera Kantanka nyame onye nyame o nipa tse me ne wa nyame no to me no man no different levels but enye nipa ni nyame na bacha ka Moses nso anko hu nyame face to face nso e ana say King David nyame ka say he is my friend, a man after my own heart as well. Are they also gods? Samson otimi kukuru gate mwa otimi white atanum onu so no nyame ana mo me hwe yi ade ba ko nyame pa sabe wo ya na bufu so e ba so sa wodi bibi betoto na ho o nyame prekope na chini nanim ebi ani ho enti mu amu ko kaka se o nyame no onye nyame o nipa anu nti na wa wi obi abewu uwa uye nipa nti na uwu we are mortal beings nyame since time Maria he's still God that makes him a God. Demons no come no they are still there am ko ba bia e ti ni pa wu awawu ye ratamus wu ye so toy doesn't make him a god and you nyina ye kusu but doesn't make him a god no it's more me person ye can the things that he achieved as a human being. Don't let us go spiritual because Ghana ye wa bakwasem ye re na afi call Mori. Kofu fia pumu bae. And to the from in cranny. But were they gods? They were human beings. So what to me ye be it does not make you a god. And ye na yamfa no me amba ye ho. Me come asem opachi umpentie. Me papa no know he has done a lot for Africa and Ghana, but onye nyame oye nipa. That is what I want people to understand. Essentially bia nyame be yi ama na sibia no oye nipa, nyame no pese nipa hu, iti na waye. Oye achede nyame de cheye, waje na ade oye nipa. Say ya hwe yi a ye beka asem bia nipa na echi no, wan hwe ye na nkosi yi. Meme de his legacy no ya person living on cars no yeah no ekofo na go school no na so omotoaso na let's forget about the spirituality ehun hia I expose the FM member subscribe share me dey 2 man na saka be man no asi